Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Join me today in discovering Stavros Niarxos Foundation Park and Library. Happy New Year as well. It's 5th of January 2024. Little bit of history about this place you're gonna see. As I said, it's called Stavros Niarxos Foundation Cultural Center. It has a National Library of Greece and it has a National Opera. So it's located in Kalithea. Kalithea in Greek means nice view. Kalithea. You will hear this name actually in a lot of areas in Greece. For example, in Rhodos Island, there is also a place called Kalithea. It's near Faleraki. So this is a very popular name for Greek small cities or areas. It was opened in 2017. The architect name is Renzo Gano. I will leave a description about this place, a page of Wikipedia in description. It's a very nice place to relax, not far away. It's basically in Athens. Kalithea is part of Athens, Attica. You can get here by a bus or a tram and a little bit of walk. You're gonna walk anyways in the park, so just have small walk until you get to the park. And every year, every now and then, they have a theme in the park. For example, in the summer they had an open cinema for free. You just grab a chair and watch a movie in English with Greek subtitles. So part of the park, there is a sport activity. So if you're a morning person, for example, just live not far away, you can come and do some running here, fitness, which is very cool. The park is very organized, it's very clean, and it was donated to the Greek government in 2017. They're also planning a metro station not far away from here in the future. It's part of the municipality plan. Hello. Small playground for children. This theme can change sometimes. Usually there's more activities in the summer for all ages. Let's go this way. They also have a library, so if you want to study or just sit on your laptop and relax and do something. I did it once. You can go to that facility that you're gonna see and just sit there and do some work. They have also restaurants, cafes, bars, not bars but like bistro. That's a small kiosk over here. Have security guards everywhere. That's beautiful. Imagine sitting here in the summer, just having this nice breeze of water in the heat. That's nice. If you're a fan of opera, it's the best place in Greece to visit. I'm not a big opera fan, but I have some friends that they love opera. So I will leave a website in the description below for the website of this foundation, where you can see all the events happening here. For example, the New Year, they had a very nice fireworks. I never seen such beautiful fireworks in my life. It was amazing. Olive trees, the classic trees that we have in Greece. Very nice calm area over here. It's also good for breathing fresh air, because in Athens we don't have fresh air because of all the pollution we have from the cars. I will leave this topic for another video about how polluted is Athens. It's not as bad as India, but still it's polluted. As you can see, there is another activity. You can play chess, which is very good for children's mind. Let's have a small look over here. That's a small description. If you like to pause, you can read it. Zoom a little bit more in. How the park was created. Some history. Another table for chess. It's Friday today, so it's not as busy as weekend. Weekend can get busy, especially at night. I'm gonna go this way now. So up there is the opera and the library. I hope they're gonna let me in the library. I don't know if I can talk inside the library. I hope so, but if not, I'll just film and show you a sneak peek. It's worth visiting here if you're in Athens. The weather is perfect for January. Well, it's not the weather used to be. It's like summer, like I'm sweating now, but usually it's cold in Athens. And last year's is getting hotter and hotter. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but climate-wise it's a bad thing. But for me, I don't like the cold weather, so I prefer this weather. So in the summer, they installed a big screen here with a projector. You could chill here at night with a beer or something, even sit on the floor, on the grass. They had chairs, those chairs over here, and you can watch a movie. If I'm not mistaken, it was a Robert De Niro movie, like the old movies, in English and Greek subtitles. This guy's taking care of the garden. the sound of the birds is so relaxing. So you can just sit here for an hour or two, read a book, have a sandwich with you or something, snack, and just relax. It's beautiful. Now here, a lot of people over here, they go inside there and they take pictures. So it's very nice because it's one color here, it's yellow, and then the sky is blue, and in the middle is the person taking the picture. But now they have those, if you can see those, it's like LEDs, so at night it's very beautiful. They have the small lights, yellow lights. It's amazing. This is Kalithea from the top of Stavros Niarxos. This is the park. The park is huge. This is Parnitha mountain. That's Lykavitos and Acropolis. That's Imitos mountain. And the beach and the sea is on that side. So over there, farther away, is Piraeus. I already visited that part of that area once. You can find this video in my videos. Here, over here is Piraeus. This is the top of Stavros Niarxos Foundation facility. That's the marina, and that's Piraeus. This is a basketball stadium of Olympiakos. It's very beautiful. So, if you're in Athens for even for a couple of days, it's worth visiting this place for at least 2 hours or 1 hour, and especially at night. It's nice. So they have music playing here at night. There's probably some lighting. I don't know what this part is about. I guess it's lights. Yes, I can see the lights over here, the LEDs. So they can see it from far away. So that's Acropolis, that's Lykavitos. I hope you can see it. It's very nice. This is the elevator. And this is the Fontain. Usually every 20 minutes or so the fountain comes out and it plays some nice music. It's always random. Let's grab the elevator.
Όχι, εγώ να ξέρεις. Έλα, φυσικά. Λέμε εδώ και εδώ κοιτά.
So, this is the facility of Stauros Niarxos. Let's have a look. Καλησπέρα. Μπορούμε να τραβήξουμε βίντεο εδώ?
Μόνο με άδεια.
Μόνο με άδεια.
Ναι.
Πρέπει να ρωτήσεις τώρα. So, turns out I need a permit to film. The security guard stopped me. I asked him if I can film. He said you need a permit, which can take up to 5 days. I need to explain to them what I'm filming, when I'm filming, and why I'm filming. So I cannot show you the inside of this building today, but I will leave a website with some pictures for the facility, and maybe in the future, if they approve the filming, I will make a video of the facility. Let's see it from outside. This is the opera facility. This is the library. See, National Library of Greece. I'll try to sneak in very briefly. So this is Stavros Niarxos Foundation, the park. I very recommend visiting this place, and we can live this as a mystery inside. You can visit by yourself if you're in Athens. You don't need a permit, you just go inside and visit it. Or an opera. You can buy tickets online for the opera. And enjoy it. So this is the fountain I told you about. If you come here, just wait 10-15 minutes and you will see the fountain coming out with lights, special at night, with some random music. Could be classic, could be pop music, hip-hop, it could be whatever that you choose. This is a canteen. You can have some water or beer or any beverage. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video in another location.